Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks, which I use for work, and this week I will be using these gorgeous stickers from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, and I'll be bringing in some of this washi from Simply Gilded and maybe some of this from Stationery Pal. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is, normally I actually just number or write the days of the week down the side here, which I totally screwed up last week. But that's okay. This week I'm just sticking to the one pen color and the one fountain pen ink color and the one fountain pen. So the one pen that I will be using is my Pelikan M400 in the white tortoise shell, and it currently has Robert Oster Rose Gold Antica in there. So I'm going to draw the line down the middle here, which ends up separating my meetings from my to-do lists, and wow, that was a crappy line. Alright, so now that that portion is done, then I can go in and start putting in some of these really beautiful stickers. So I think I'm going to focus on just one of the sheets, probably this one. I love the door. It feels very fall inspired. And I'm going to place that probably here in this corner with some of the washi from Simply Gilded. Oh, I love how that matches. Really pretty. And then maybe one of these ones as well. This one is from Stationery Pal. Oh, I love the combination together. Pretty. And then I will put one of these down here at the bottom, but I will combine it with the bigger washi. So kind of going like this. Oh, you know what? I'll put one of these down as well, because the next color in this one, if I don't rip it. Oh, I am ripping it. Oh gosh. There we go. The color kind of matches. So I'll place this one down here and over it just like so. Oh, I love that. And then I'm going to place this one up at the top here. And gosh, these are such pretty stickers. Beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead and write in my meetings for the week. So there is my overall finished spread. I really love how simple it is, and I just used one of the sticker sheets from the kit. I don't actually even know what the name of the kit is, but it is just absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to use this in my other spreads for the week as well. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.